Come on in. Welcome in our new home. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fantastic. So nice of you to join us on our moving day. If you are new to our channel, we are Leon and Miek and we have been traveling full-time for the past 1.5 years. Due to coronavirus, we're stuck here in the Netherlands, but in our last video we explained how we managed to get a temporary job for the next 2 months. And it comes with a house. So we're gonna move out of the van, and it feels very weird to move out of Peggy, but we're also very excited that we're gonna live in a brick house for the first time in 1.5 years, so it's gonna be pure luxury. So for today we are going to move all our stuff, and we're curious how much crap we have collected in the past 18 months. We're gonna fit it all in the house, and once we're done we're gonna give you the grand tour. So come on man, busy day today. Same amount of effort.
I'm carrying something too.
He's not even alive anymore, that plant.
Well, I'm helping.
You're not helping anyone.
You have the key?
You gotta be kidding me. You don't have a key?
Look at all this crap. This is just the first run, and it just never ceases to amaze me how much crap you collect, even when you're living in a tiny home or a van like we do. Oh yeah. But think of the most unique thing you've ever seen in your life. I'm gonna show you something that unique right now. It's Miek using a vacuum cleaner. Oi!
Oi! What's that now?
When was the last time you held a vacuum cleaner in your hands?
Like literally 1.5 years ago when I had one. When's the last time you held a vacuum cleaner? Huh?
I gotta get going.
Yeah.
If you're wondering why the rug is on the couch like that, it's Mio, his fortress. He sleeps in it all day if he gets a chance. He does the same thing in Peggy, and even now in this tiny house. It's still a big mess. We'll probably take a couple more hours before we're finished. But I wanted to thank you guys for all your lovely support after our video last Thursday, then when we mentioned that we are going to move and we found a job for a couple of months. It really helped. Moving can be so stressful, but we know we're not alone. We got you guys. We moved to a part of the country that we don't know anything about. We don't know any people in the area, but we know we got your back. And it's such a beautiful thing of this community that we're not alone. We're sharing everything with you, and you're part of this van life adventure and this travel adventure, and this new part of it is just another step, another adventure. So thanks for all your support guys, really. And the view on the harbor really helps as well, of course. It's beautiful. So we gave Miek like 20 seconds. Let's see if she's finished. You're finished, babe.
Yeah, what took you so long? I did it all by myself.
So you ready for the tour?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Well,
Let's
go on,
show you
then.
the place. Come on then. Come on in. Welcome in our new home. This is our spacious new kitchen. We got plenty of counter space on this side and all the electrical devices that came with the house that we're not used to anymore. And we're already getting lazy with the dishes, and there's no excuse because there is a dishwasher. We're very spoiled. And cabinets on this side as well, and on this side of the kitchen we got the stove and a working fridge with a freezer. Now that's new, so that's cool. Mila hunts for flies, which is very handy. Now, we just discovered that we also have new pets because we have ants as well. So flies and ants. Great! So if we go this way, we step into our bedroom. We got a huge, what is it, king size bed? I actually lose Leon at night because it's way bigger than we're used to. But it's nice and soft, and yeah, we're really happy with it actually. So we got a closet as well, and before we started VANLIFE, we lived in a house like normal people, and we had a closet probably 5 or 6 times as big as this one, and we had barely any room left. But when we lived in a van and now we're moving into a house, this one, we have plenty of space for our clothes. That's cool, I think. So over here we have our bathroom. And that's where all the clothes were. Now you might know that we have lived probably a month without any facilities at all. So yeah, I really have to catch up on laundry. But we have facilities again. So we can actually do laundry. We have a shower, a toilet, running water, pure luxury. So if we move this way to our living room, it's probably twice the size of Peggy, just as our living space. We have a dining area, we can leave our laptops. So we actually have a workspace. Normally we have one table and we have breakfast there, lunch, dinner, we work there, everything is going on there, and even Mio has a little spot that he lies on the table. Not that I'm complaining, but this is just really big for our standards, so we can just leave our stuff there, which is quite nice for a change. And on this side we have our living room. Now I hear you thinking, it is not old, it's not dated, it is retro. We actually love it. Mio's sleeping here a lot. Mila has this couch and we live in Peggy. It works. What can I tell you? It's just great. The best feature of this living room has to be the view. Just right there. Whoop. It's the harbor. So I think that's about it. We have a small garden, and like I said, we can use all the facilities. Washing machine, dishwasher, coffee maker, the works. We got it all. And tea.
This is our new home for the next 2 months, guys. A whole new chapter is starting in this van life adventure. We didn't know this was going to happen, but we're here now and we can't wait to get started, but we don't even know what's coming next. But you will be joining us, right? If you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new adventures. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. And as always, thanks for watching.
Be awesome.
Stay fantastic. I never ceases to amaze me how much crap you collect, even like your...
You that we have managed to get a washing machine.
This will be a whole new chapter in our van life adventure and our travel. I wanted to take this opportunity. Let's walk inside and see. You gave us all your